are going to have to contend with some warmer temperatures this time as the fair kicks off.
Right on cue, almost every year. You almost know when it's coming because you start to see those 100-degree temperatures in the forecast.
Hard to argue with that, right? It may not be science, but there's something going on there, it seems like, for sure. Yeah, but you know, it's not just these warmer temperatures that we're looking at. Yeah, we've been in the 90s, but we're also going to be tracking some increased moisture working into Northern California, some monsoon moisture on the way in. So it was 90 today in Sacramento, 96 in Stockton, 98 in Modesto, 90 in Placerville, and then departure from normal, well, pretty close to seasonal, despite the fact that we were in those low to mid 90s. That is normal for the time of year. So even though it is hot and hotter, certainly, than what we've seen for much of the last 10 days, it again is about what you'd expect for the time of year. But we've been kind of spoiled in July so far, with many of our days at and below normal, and many of them even in the 80s. So definitely not a lot of 80s on the way, definitely a lot more 90s, and yes, some triple digits for next week. 65 in Sacramento, 70 in Stockton, 75 in Modesto, 54 in Truckee, and 60 in South Lake Tahoe. Right now, we've had a nice delta breeze all afternoon long. That has continued into the evening, and that delta breeze is working its way well up into the Sacramento Valley and well down through the San Joaquin Valley. It's not necessarily very strong at about 5 to 10 miles per hour, but certainly it has overspread the valley, and that is helping to cool things off compared to where we were at this time yesterday. 65 in Sacramento right now is 24 degrees cooler than this time yesterday. We'll start off in those upper 50s on Saturday morning, about 57 in Sacramento, 57 Stockton, 62 in Modesto. A few clouds out there to start off Saturday morning, but increase in clouds as Saturday goes on. It's going to be hot, normal high 93. I've got 96 in Sacramento, 97 in Stockton, 99 in Modesto, about 100 up in Colusa, 99 in Oroville and Marysville, some upper 80s in the high country and across the San Joaquin Valley. Highs upper 80s to right near 100, like what we'll see in Patterson tomorrow, about 100 degrees. 99 in Turlock, 97 again in Stockton, and Lodi and across the Sacramento metro area in those mid to upper 90s to start the weekend. Let's look at futurecast, though. Again, a few clouds through the overnight, but as Saturday goes on, we're going to see increasing cloudiness out of the south. Overnight, Saturday into Sunday morning, mainly cloudy to completely overcast with a few light showers up near Tahoe. By the time we get to Sunday afternoon, it'll be a mix of sun and clouds with a chance for some showers and isolated thunderstorms in the high country. Look at Monday morning here. We'll continue to see some clouds through the area, some showers in the higher elevations, but I'll tell you, there's going to be a chance for some light showers in the valley too. I know this model's not necessarily picking up on it. Several other models are. And with the amount of moisture that I expect to move into Northern California on Monday, there's definitely going to be a chance that that Monday morning commute may be just a little bit showery. Not real heavy rain, but definitely a chance for some sprinkles are out there. And then we'll continue to watch some showers and thunderstorm potential in the high country on Monday afternoon. So fire danger early next week, really from Sunday to Wednesday, is going to be in that moderate range for most of Northern California. Basically all elevations in the Sacramento Valley, into the foothills and into the Northern Sierra and Northeast Plateau. Again, that moderate fire danger, mainly due to warmer temperatures and the chance for some scattered thunderstorms. We're going to have to wait and see how wet these thunderstorms are going to be in the high country and whether that amount of rain that we'll see kind of outweighs the risk that we will have from the lightning. But the reason we're getting all this moisture coming in is because high pressure is going to be off to our east, so it's going to pull all this tropical moisture up into California. So it may even feel a little sticky at times next week when we're dealing with some of that added humidity. As we go later on into the week, though, we're going to see another round of some increased tropical moisture, this time from the potential from a few tropical cyclones working their way up through the Pacific. No landfalling impacts for us here in California, but certainly it is going to move more of that moisture out of the tropics and up off of our coast. So we'll continue to see, even as we move through the middle of the month, some rounds of tropical moisture moving into Northern California. And that's going to make our weather pattern here a little bit more interesting. It's not just hot and dry. It's going to be hot. It's going to be a little sticky, certainly by California standards. We'll have a chance for showers in the valley Monday morning and a chance for thunderstorms in the high country pretty much every day next week. So yeah, kind of an active weather pattern here, especially by summer standards.
A little hot, a little sticky, a little stormy. I mean, I get the hot part, but the stormy and sticky is not so California. You're right about that.
It definitely is not. No.
Okay, all right. We won't be surprised. We'll have to say you told us it could happen.
I'm letting you know there's a chance.
Okay, Brendan, thank you.
Yep.